Hi, my name is Dorothy, but most people call me DJ. I was diagnosed with metastatic breast cancer last January of 2023. And by the time I found it out, nikatat na siya sa ako ang spine and lungs. And after a few months, niabot na siya sa brain. I won't lie, it's tough, pero I also think that there's a reason this came into my life. This journey has shown me how much love and strength can come from family, friends, and even strangers. Bisan pa sa kasakit o kaapoy, there have been moments of grace because of the amazing people supporting me. I've gone through chemo, brain radiation, and bone and hormone treatments. Dili lalim, but every day I find more reasons to keep fighting. Not just for myself, but for the time I still want to spend with my loved ones and the life I still hope to live. Dako kayo among pasalamat sa support na among nadawat since the beginning from everyone, both financially and emotionally. Ang past 2 chemo cycles kay wala nakapahinay sa pagkalat sa cancer cells, so my doctor decided to use Enhertu kay mo pa ang chemo na nakitaan og ability na makasulod sa blood-brain barrier. We are very thankful na so far my oncologist believes it's working and she recommends 3 more doses as soon as possible. In total, kailangan na mo og 600,000 pesos for this. Gibuhat na mo tanan para maka-secure sa amount sa meds with the help of our generous donors. Pero naabot na mi sa point na lisod na ipadayon kay wala na funds. Nagatry mi karon og organize og fundraising event, but our past experience indicates na it might not be enough. So if you're able to help in any way, it would mean the world to me and my family. Whether it's financial support or simply sharing this message, anything will help. From the bottom of my heart, daghang kayong salamat for watching this video. Papasalamatan ko sa inyong love, support, and prayers. And I wish you all the things I'm still fighting for: love, hope, and good health. Salamat kayo. Salamat.